In today's video, I'm transforming this clock into a fun glow in the dark clock, and I'll show you exactly how. We've had this clock in our kitchen for about 8 years, and I still love it. As we move house, I don't want to look for another clock for the kitchen. But I thought, what can I do to revamp it for the new home? And I had a nice idea. Why not make it a glow in the dark clock? So I'll show you how we do that. And for that, we'll just use the clock. I know we'll use some UV resin, and then we're going to use some golden yellow glow in the dark uh, mica powder, luminous powder. And there were so many colors, I couldn't find a lighter one. This is the lightest I could find that doesn't go against the red and doesn't steal away from what we already have. How we're doing that, this is a very quick one. So let's open it up. I'm not adding any extra color to my UV resin apart from the glow in the dark because I don't want to change it. I just want to make it a glow in the dark clock. So I know the shade of orange might change these colors, and if they do, I don't want it to be much, just a little, because we need this, and all of them normally come in color: green, pink, purple. This is the one that I found closest to what would have been less disruptive. I have finished painting on all of them with the UV resin with the glow in the dark powder. You can see the white has changed color a bit. It has become yellowish, but I'm loving it because thankfully we had yellows here, a cream here that has become like a lighter yellow, but it hasn't taken away from the beauty of the clock. And I love it because it's a piece of art that's abstract and functional. So we're going to put back. This is why I love creating instead of buying. If you're learning resin or DIY, I hope this inspired you. And if you'd like a custom piece made for your space, you'll find my details below. Thank you for creating with me. I'll see you in the next episode. God bless you. Baraka Tele. This is how it looks. We're just not waiting for it to soak in the sunlight from outside. But if the sunlight is not too direct, this light is just here. And then